53. Our Father. Our Lord himself teaches us to call God our Father, Matthew 6:9. We mustn't interpret this in terms of much of what passes as fatherhood today. We're given a very different concept in Hebrews 12:5-11. There we're told first that, whom the Lord loveth, he chasteneth. God picks us up often to spank us as an aspect of his love. Second, if we're not chastised, it means, then you're bastards and not sons. God demonstrates his love by keeping us in line. Third, we should revere God for his love manifested in our chastening, for, quote, we have had fathers of our flesh which corrected us, and we gave them reverence. Fourth, the purpose of God's chastening is that we might be partakers of his holiness. Without God's compelling hand, we will remain satisfied with ourselves and smug in our sin. Fifth, God knows that his chastening of us will be no joy to us, but distasteful. Quote, nevertheless, afterward it yieldeth the peaceable fruit of righteousness unto them which are exercised thereby. End quote. Take your punishment as God's love for you and as something intended for your training, and you will reap peace and blessings from it.